everyone, happy Thanksgiving. Today I'm going to be announcing the winner of my 25,000 subscriber giveaway challenge.
As I'm editing the video, I noticed the sun reflection on my face. Sorry about that.
Thank you to everyone who participated. A lot of comments were submitted. A lot of positive comments were submitted. So thank you to each and every one of you for continuing to support me and being part of this journey. I appreciate every single one of you. And I'm not just saying it, but I really do appreciate every single one of you. And it makes me happy that people enjoy what I put out. But anyways, my wife actually selected the winners by randomizing some numbers. I'm not going to bore you with that, but we've got two winners who will each receive a Keys Motorsports gift card worth $100 each. And I was supposed to select two runner-ups, but I am in a very giving spirit, so I selected 4 people, and each one of those individuals will receive a $25 gift certificate to Amazon. Maybe I'll surprise 1 or 2 of those individuals with something from my garage. Anyways, so here are the winners. We're going to start with the runner-ups. The first one is Sprite Papi. He says, been watching you for the past couple of months, love the content, and I've been using your DIY tips videos for my 15 M3. Keep it up, bro. So congratulations, bro. Thank you very much for being part of this journey, and you will be getting that $25 gift certificate to Amazon. Every winner that I'm announcing should email me, so email me at the email that I provide below, and you will have to prove to me that you are indeed that individual. I have a way of doing it, so let's just exchange emails and we'll do it that way. Anyways, another person is Patrick Price. Told my wife to order me your mud flaps for Christmas. Hope you have a great holiday season. Thanks again for the video content. So Patrick, I am happy to announce that Santa has heard your wish and you will be getting a set of mud flaps for your BMW as well as a $25 gift certificate to Amazon. So again, email me, confirm that it's you, and I will set you up. Then, Make Deanon. I hope I'm not butchering your name, so I apologize. Congratulations on the 25K. It would be amazing to get a piece of memorabilia out of your garage. Well, Make, you are in luck because you will be getting my set of custom-made jacking adapters for your BMW. I hope you have a BMW on top of the $25 Amazon gift card. So again, email me and we will sort this out. And then the last runner-up is Rafi Apkarian. Love how you help consumer with your DIY videos. Hope the channel continues to grow. So Rafi, thank you once again, and you will also be getting that $25 Amazon gift card. Again, email me and we'll sort this out. Now, to the 2 winners who will each get a $100 gift certificate to Amazon. First one is JMD 535. I hope this person drives a 535. Way to BMW for taking care of those concerns. Watched both videos. Win or not. Good information, Tommy. Kudu. Oh, keep up the good work. Edit. I posted a picture of your note to the service text on Facebook page. No doubt you'll get more exposed. Hope you don't mind. So I do not mind, and I'm very happy to announce that you will be getting that $100 gift certificate to Keys Motorsports. Email me and we'll get you sorted out. And last but not least, the second grand prize winner is Daquan Palmer. Daquan Palmer said, watched so many videos of yours before purchasing my F80. So Daquan, thank you very much for the support. Congratulations on the F80. And you will also be getting a $100 gift certificate to Keys Motorsports. So this is the list. These are the winners. And I've got to say, I've read every single comment and it made me so happy to see how people appreciate my content, me, and what I do. There's always some hate, so I'm used to it, but for the most part, the majority of my audience are these friendly individuals, and I am very, very fortunate to do that, especially since this is my hobby. This is not a full-time job. It's my way of connecting with people, so it's so strange. But anyways, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Congratulations to all the winners, and once again, thank you very much for supporting me throughout my journey. And my journey is going through some changes right now. I am in the process of moving. We're going to be unveiling TLG 2.0 very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. And on that note, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.